Did you hear that? Yeah, that's the sound coming from my Dahua CCTV XVR. So there's this buzzing sound that keeps coming, and this is really annoying me, and I didn't know where it come from, but it's actually very easy to fix. Now let's open our Dahua web dashboard. Just log in with your admin account, and there is a notification that my disk is missing or broken. So it says no disk. Just click OK. Then go to the alarm. Go to the exception, and here it is. So the buzzer or beeping sound is coming from this. So you can just uncheck the enable here. Just click OK. And the beeping or the buzzer will stop coming out from your XVR. But there is another way. You can keep it enabled and just click more and then uncheck the buzzer over here. This will keep the lock, but if your disk is not found, it will not make a buzzer sound anymore. Just click OK and then click OK. And this time you won't hear any buzzer or beeping sound coming from your Dahua CCTV XVR. Alright, I think that's it. Hopefully you won't hear this sound anymore. And that will be the last one you hear it. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time.